Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. Today I have another get ready with me makeup tutorial for you. I'm using a lot of drugstore products and lots that I've been trying and really liked, and they're really affordable. And I also use some higher end stuff in here too. Today's look is just a neutral eye look with like a mauvey nude lip. So it's very wearable for every day. So if you want to see how I got this look, please just keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll be posting new videos every week and I'd love to see you in my next one. Thank you so much, and I'll just get into the video. Cleansed my face with this Andalou Apricot Probiotic Cleansing Milk. Then I applied my Rocky Mountain Soap Company Day Cream to hydrate my skin. And then I used this Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask just to hydrate my lips because they're so dry. And then I'm just gonna start with the L'Oreal Magic Perfecting Base Face Primer. Just gonna apply this with my fingers. I'm going to be using the Fit Me foundation from Maybelline in the color Nude Beige. This Nude Beige foundation color in the Fit Me is definitely too dark for me right now. I'm super pale. So I'm going to see if I can make it work with concealing and everything. We'll see by the end if it looks a little bit like it matches a little bit better to my skin. So next I'm using my BH Cosmetic Cream Contour Kit. And I'm just going to use this to contour. And I'll have a video up specifically just on my cream contouring routine if you're interested. I'll link it below as soon as it's up. So I'm just using the first row here, as you can see, the lightest. I always want to go with the contour in upward motions. To the hairline. And I'm applying more than I normally would for sure under my eyes, just because I want to lighten up the color from my foundation being too dark. And the brushes I'm using are just Tarte brushes and BH Cosmetic brushes. I'll link them down below. I've really been liking both, and I've used them lots and washed them and everything, and there hasn't been any shedding. I'd say it's like medium coverage foundation. So I'm using my same Urban Decay eyeshadow primer that you guys know that I love. Vanessa Modern Renaissance palette, just to grab a couple colors for the base. So I'm just applying Tempera, this first light shade, all over my eye and underneath my brows. Which drugstore foundation do you guys really like? Please comment below and I'll try it out. Also this month in this tutorial around the end with my eye products, I have a few products that I'll use in this video, and I've really been loving them, and they're super affordable. I was like shocked. Some of them are like $3 and they're so good. Called Grace. I'll do a swatch of it here. So it's their shimmering ones. So it's not ones with the actual glitter in it, but it's just like metallic-y looking. Just grabbing my mirror. And I'm just putting that all over the lid. And a little goes a long way. And I always like put it on one eye first and then blend it out with my fingers and then do the other eye, because it dries super quick. And I don't want it to like get stuck in place, because once it's dry, it's not moving anytime soon. It like stays all day. It's so pretty. I've been loving these. They seem kind of fancy, but really you could wear them every day, because like you maybe couldn't wear the glittery ones every day, but you could wear these metallic-y ones every day, because especially if they're in like a neutral color, then they're really wearable. But yeah, do one eye at a time and really blend it out before it gets too dry on you. It's one of the products I've really been impressed with. This is the Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara in the color 2 Brownie Brows. And it's a brow gel, but it's just amazing. So you really want to go with a light hand with this, and then upward motions just like you do with your other brow gels, but just don't overdo it with the product because it's quite pigmented. And always in upward motions. And I was really shocked because this product is like $3. So for it to work this well and it lasts all day, I've worn it on a 12-hour shift and it still like doesn't wear off or anything, and I'm constantly moving on my shifts. Because I'm a nurse, so I'm always on my feet. So that's how I know that makeup really wears well, is when it lasts through my shift. And you just really want to be careful around the front of your brow that you're not doing too extreme with it. And I only dipped it, like took it from it once and took it out. I never put it in and out because the product is just so pigmented, like you wouldn't need that much. And I think if you have like bushier brows like I do, you wouldn't even need to pencil them in with this one because it has color to it too. But yeah, it just gives like such a pretty natural brow, like, and I find it matches my hair color really nice. So there's my brows there, like it just gives a really natural, like feathered look. Raw sienna just here on this side. And then for this, I always like stretch my eye out, even though that's so bad, and use the thinnest side of the brush and then wave it in and out. And it just kind of makes it blend a little bit more, I guess. I'm just putting the, I know it's so bad to pull your eyes like this, but this is just how I've always done it. And again, thin side, and then feather it out. Might even put a little bit more of the liquid on, just because I want it to. So again, this is the Stila and Grace, just on my eyelid. And I don't even fill my whole eyelid with it, because it's just like a little goes a long way, and then I brush it out with my finger. Another drugstore product I've been loving, the Maybelline Fit Me in Fair. So good. Like perfect for every day. It's pretty good coverage. It's not as high coverage as the It Cosmetics one, but it's good enough coverage for every day. And it's doesn't really crease, and it's not even the type of formula that you'd really have to set if you have dry skin. Like I don't even have to set it with the setting powder, so it's just perfect for every day. And I like the wand on it too. And the color Fair really suits my skin well for right now. I'll just blend it out with my finger. And I just find it has a really like natural finish, like it looks like your skin, and it's very youthful. And it makes you look like you had a lot of sleep even though you didn't. Which is always good. I think everyone wants that, to look younger and rested. Just has like a really fresh face look. I really have been liking it. And it wears really well too. Like I've worn that on my long shifts too with no problems. It might wear off a little bit by the end of the day, but it's not like looking horrible or anything. My Physicians Formula bronzer in light to medium. This was my favorite drugstore bronzer. As you can see, I'm hitting pan on it. And then I'm going to highlight with my Pure palette that I got from my BoxyCharm last month. So I just did my wing liner off camera. It's just the L'Oreal Paris, the super slim, infallible 12-hour liquid eyeliner. I just find it really hard to do it on camera. Try to get better at doing it on camera so you guys can see. And then I am using this mascara, also by Essence. It's the Essence Volume Stylist 18-hour lash extension mascara. So I'll just put that on now. And this same thing, I've been using it this month, wearing it to work, and it lasts my entire shift. There might just be like the tiniest bit of wear off by the end of a 12-hour shift, but my eyes really make mascara bleed a lot. So when something doesn't leak much on me, it's usually a good sign. And this is very affordable too. I think it was around $6 or something like that. So there we go. That's the final look of the mascara. So here it is here. And again, I have my eyelashes permed. I do it myself. I've been doing it myself for around a year now. So link that video below if you're interested. So everything's finished. We'll just put on a lip color. I always use my Rocky Mountain Soap Co. Coconut and Vanilla lip letter first because I have super dry lips, especially in winter. And then I'm going to use this Makeup Geek liquid lipstick. There's no color on it, but I'll link it below. I was able to find it with the swatches, thank God. It's such a nice color. It's like a mauvey nude. Here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I post new videos. I'll be posting 1 to 2 videos every week. And I'd love to see you in my next one. Thank you so much and have a great day.